Welcome to Blue's Garden Tips, hardening off your seedlings. Hardening off is really just getting your indoor seedlings used to the sun, the wind, and the outdoor climate. Plants raised indoors are not used to the amount of sunlight they're really going to get. So hardening off for me is 1 hour outside on the first day, then bring them back in. 2 hours out next day. Third day is 4 hours. Fourth day is 4 hours. Fifth day is 6 hours. Sixth day is 8 hours. Seventh day is 8 hours. Day 8 is a full day overnight. And day 9 is a full day overnight. And then the last day is planting outside. If you have a really cloudy day or you have to bring them back in, then back up one full day. So it's a tedious thing, especially for me. I've got 200 tomatoes and another 80 peppers and squash and zucchini, but every day in and out. Day 1, 1 hour. Day 2, 2 hours. Day 3 and 4 is 4 hours. Day 5 and 6 are 6 hours. Are 6 hours. Day 7 and 8 are 8 hours. Day 9 is overnight. Day 10 is overnight, and then planting outside. I want to thank you all for watching. Please share. It really helps the video. Share and subscribe. Thanks a bunch.